Oh my God, it's hot. It is so hot outside. Oh. What do we have here? 2019 Dodge Ram. Did a starter prep package on it and installed a ceramic coating on it. Not gonna mention the ceramic coating company's name because they're not really worth it. I'm just not doing promotion for them anymore. Client already has it on a vehicle he did 2 years ago and he wanted it on his truck that he's got leased. Did put Ceramic Pro on the rims. We've got it on the glass and we got it on his plastics. This other ceramic coating is the only thing that's on the paint. I'm not promoting them. I'll install it and I'll make money off of it. I'm not promoting them. I love all of you. Poppin', poppin', poppin'. Poppin' like popcorn. Man, these things are getting better and better, aren't they? Saw the big iPad, they're trying to be like Tesla and everything, and they little toolboxes in the tailgate. Not tailgate, in the doggone in the bed, on the side of the bed. Oh, and don't forget guys, I can refer you to somebody to do your maintenance. Looking for maintenance? Which means that wash and wax, that quick thing that I don't do. Yeah, get with David, Top Shine Detailing.